The LG U20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus 8 5G for Verizon Wireless. So this is Verizon's first OnePlus smartphone. So this is really cool. So it's available in two colors. You have Polar Silver or you have Onyx Black. It's available in 128 GB of storage. You can get the OnePlus 8 5G you can get the OnePlus 8 5G on monthly installments at $33 a month or 24 months, or retail price at $799.99. Alright, so pretty nice. Also, this is the phone right here. Y'all have the whole phone, so you can face a camera, fire button on the right side. That thing right here is your this is the alert key here on the right side of the phone. The ring key is on the left side of the phone. So pretty nice. On the left side of the phone, like I said, this is the ring key. So that camera just started that just to put that on the back of the phone, so they keep that in mind. On the back of the OnePlus 8 5G, you guys will have three cameras, camera flash, OnePlus logo, and the Verizon 5G logo on the back. There's a rest, like I said, your power button and your alert key right here. And there it is, front and back, alright? So the OnePlus 8 5G has 11.4 days of standby time, 27 hours of usage time, triple view cameras, 48 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel camera, and then a 16 megapixel camera. So pretty nice. Thanks to 2 megapixel, it's probably a telephoto camera or a depth sensing camera. I'm actually not really sure. Then the 16 megapixel camera is probably a telephoto camera lens. So the OnePlus 8 5G has 2.87 inches in length and 6.31 inches in height there. Over here it says, meet the OnePlus 8 5G, an amazing 5G phone at an equally amazing price. Equipped with a Snapdragon 865 processor, 128 GB of storage, and warp charge capabilities. The OnePlus 8 offers the fastest, smoothest performance that will last all day long. Game like never before on the ultra responsive fluid display with a 90Hz refresh rate. And for pro quality pictures, the triple camera system with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a dedicated macro lens lets you capture all your important moments. It expands all Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network has to offer on the revolutionary OnePlus 8 5G. So the 48 megapixel camera is its main camera lens, and then a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So that's pretty good. It says do more with 5G. Enjoy premium performance, ultra fast speeds, ultra low latency, and massive capacity on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. The OnePlus 8 5G is outfitted with a powerful processor and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity to power your ambitions and ignite your creativity. A display that's as fast and smooth as you are. Don't let lag slow you down. With a 90Hz refresh rate, you can swipe, scroll, and game with increased responsiveness. The borderless fluid display is designed to keep you at the top of your game with true-to-life colors and HDR10 Plus for a truly dynamic viewing experience. Who needs a professional photographer? Ditch the DSLR and capture every moment in real time with any of the OnePlus 8 5G's 3 rear cameras. Shoot photos and videos even when your subject is on the go or in the right conditions. And for those who love a good selfie, you can easily shoot and share with the 16 megapixel front-facing camera. So pretty nice right there. Gaming just got better with an ultra responsive touch display featuring a 90Hz refresh rate and it says with an ultra responsive touch display featuring a 90Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 8 5G is designed for all the fast-paced games you love. Even the most graphic intense mobile games won't get hung up downloading, installing, and updating with the ultra-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and RAM-based technology. Be sure at warp speed. Get more done with the battery that won't quit before you do. And for those that don't have time to sit and wait, warp charge takes your battery from 1 to 50% in minutes. So pretty nice there. Immersive design. A sleek, durable design makes the OnePlus 8 5G the perfect companion to your active life. Built with precision and durability, this is one smartphone that's engineered to be your everyday companion, and with a IP68 rating, with an IP68 water resistant rating, you won't have to worry about getting caught in the rain or splash at the pool. Available and unexpected or Verizon exclusive Polar server. So pretty nice. So the specs on the OnePlus 8 5G, of course, is LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a build device, so you can use it in over 200 countries. 11.4 gigs of standby time, 27 hours of usage time. Triple rear camera, 48 megapixels, 2 and 16 megapixel cameras in the back. 16 megapixel camera on the front. The width of the phone is 2.87 inches. The weight of the phone is 6.39 ounces. The height of the OnePlus 8 5G is 6.31 inches. The depth of the OnePlus 8 5G is 0.32 inches. Screen size is 6.55 inches fluid. The screen size is 6.55 inches fluid AMOLED display, Full HD plus 2400 by 1080 pixels. That's for HD PPI. You have 4400 mAh battery. You will have oxygen LS based on Android 10. 6 gigabyte. You'll have 8 gigabytes of RAM. You'll have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of RAM. So pretty nice. The colors are Onyx Black or Polar Silver. Using network tag processor Snapdragon 865, and we have a X55 modem. You also have Google Assistant, Alexa Radio, and all that on there, of course. You also have HD voice, which lets you experience HD voice video calling and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your OnePlus 8 5G smartphone, Verizon is here to help you with that with device support. So to check out if you guys need any one kind of something on the OnePlus 8. It says Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what you guys get in the box is the OnePlus 8 5G, conventional SIM card, warp charge, power adapter, warp charge Type-C cable, Type-C bullet earphones, screen protector, pre-installed, SIM tray ejector, quick reference guide, important consumer safety information. So there you guys have Verizon's first OnePlus phone. They say the OnePlus 8 5G. It's available now for $7.99 for retail price of $33.33 a month for 24 months. So if you guys want to get a OnePlus phone on Verizon, the OnePlus 8 5G is here. This is really cool, and hopefully there'll be more OnePlus phones on Verizon in the future. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and we have some out. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.